Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba uthaphila-ke. Mina ngisicela kuwe-ke lapho ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke lapho-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali kumahhala nje khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi-ke uqhubeke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizobe ngikufakela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. So nje manje ngakucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba kulethele lona-ke namhlanje sekuvele kwashuba-ke laphana-ke phakathi-ke kwe-EFF ne-MK-ke laphana-ke uMalema-ke ekhipha-ke izimfihlo-ke bezingaziwa-ke laphana-ke ngemali-ke akweletwa yona-ke uJacob Zuma-ke wachaza ukuthi-ke imali yani-ke le wachaza impela uzosongela nokuthi bazoyifikela bona-ke enkandla uma nje le mali-ke ingaphumi-ke. Kodwa ngifuna mina ukuthi ngikuzwe ngamphelisa nje ngidlala-ke ividiyo yakhe kuMalema-ke lapho echaza khona yonke-ke lento le chazela-ke abalandeli be-EFF-ke lana. Ngicela uma usuzwile le video comment section futhi uvo lwakho uthi wena ucabanga kanjani, usincindezele ibhathini subscribe nje kubiza imali khona uzokwazi phela ukuthi uqhubeke uthole nezinye iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha engizobe ngizilethela zona-ke kulona-ke ikhasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke. Nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
The EFF, that old man, we defeated him before. We brought him here in this constitutional court and we said pay back the money, and he paid back the money. He has been forgiven us for that. Fighters, all the cases we won against Jacob Zuma, he never paid the legal fees. Zuma is owing us the legal fees. We've got an order that he must pay us our money because we're defeating him in court. Now, he has not complied with that order of paying our money. We just instructed our lawyer to go and attach Nkandla so that the man pays back our money. We want our money that Zuma owes us from here, this constitutional court and the High Court in Pretoria. Everywhere where we've been winning against Zuma, they said he must pay our legal fees. He never paid our legal fees. He wants to play dirty. Bring it on. Give us our money tomorrow. Otherwise, we are attaching Nkandla. Comrades, we are not going to play nice with people who are playing